Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm back with two healthy recipes, millet lemon rice and meal maker curry. Let's first talk about millets lemon rice. If you are just starting to incorporate millets in your diet, this millet rice will make you fall in love with the millets. Without a further delay, let's get started. To make foxtail lemon rice, we have to take 1 cup of foxtail millet. Need to wash 3 times until the water runs clear. There will be lot of dust particles in it, so wash it more than 3 times if possible until water runs clear. After washing, you need to add water and soak it overnight. Soaking millets are very important in digestion process. So soak it overnight. Next day morning, millets are nicely soaked. In a cooker, add millets, 1 cup of millet. For that I am taking in 1.5 cup of water. If you add more than 1.5 cup of water, the millet rice wouldn't be that fluffy enough to make the lemon rice. So make sure you add in just 1.5 cup of water for 1 cup of millet. And I am adding in pink Himalayan rock salt here as per your taste, and close the lid. Leave it for 3 whistles. After 3 whistles, let it cool down and open the lid. Now you can see the foxtail millet rice is very much fluffy and tender. Now let's start preparing the lemon rice with this foxtail millet. In a pan, I am adding in 2 tablespoons of coconut oil. It is healthy. If you want, you can add any gingerly oil. Add in half a spoon of mustard seeds, half a spoon of cumin seeds, half a spoon of chana dal and half a spoon of urad dal. Fry them on a medium flame until you get nice aroma. And add in few curry leaves. Add in half a cup of groundnuts and fry them for 2 minutes. And add in 3 green chilies and 3 red chilies. Fry them for 1 minute. And then add half a tablespoon of turmeric powder. Mix it well. Add in half a tablespoon of hing. Hing will give nice flavor to lemon rice. Mix it well. And then add in 4 tablespoons of lemon juice. Cook it for 1 second. Mix it well. So we have added salt while cooking the millet, so you don't need to add salt. Now add in the cooked foxtail millet rice. Mix it well, and then your millet lemon rice is ready to serve. Being a South Indian, I have eaten lemon rice all my life and it's one of my favorite dish. Lemon rice is a simple recipe and mostly eaten for breakfast and lunch or for travel. Foxtail millet is gluten-free and packed with protein, fiber and other minerals. We generally make lemon rice with white rice or brown rice, but today it's something different and also healthy with foxtail millet. Do definitely try it and then let us know in the comment section how it has come. Now let's see another healthy recipe, which is protein rich meal maker curry, also known as soya curry. First we need to wash the soya chunks. For that, heat the water and add salt. Add soya chunks in it. Leave it for 1 minute. Mix it well and leave it for 1 minute. Take out in a cold water to stop from further cooking. Now squeeze the soya chunks Take out all the water and then keep it in a separate bowl, and let's see the marination process. In a bowl, take soya chunks, add in 1 tablespoon of salt, half a tablespoon of turmeric powder, half a tablespoon of cumin powder, 1 tablespoon of chili powder, one tablespoon of garam masala, 1 tablespoon of coriander powder, curd 3 tablespoons, ginger garlic paste 1 tablespoon, mix it well until masala gets coated to all the chunks, and leave it for 15 minutes to marinate nicely. Now we'll start preparation for the curry. Before that, we need to make masala powder. For that, in a mixie jar, add 2 bay leaf, 1 cardamom, 4 cloves, 1 teaspoon fennel seed, 1 inch cardamom, 1 teaspoon cumin seeds. Close the lid and make a fine powder. Now in a pan, add 2 tablespoons of oil and add in 2 medium sized onion, cut it into slices. Fry it well until they become golden brown color. Now add in half tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, mix it well. Fry it until the raw smell is gone. Now take 3 medium sized tomatoes and make a puree. Add in. Mix it well. Cook it until oil leaves from the curry. Now add in half tablespoon of turmeric, 1 tablespoon of salt. Mix it well. Close the lid and cook it for 2 minutes. Open the lid, mix it well. The gravy is getting thicker and it is together. Now add in marinated soya chunks. Give it a nice mix. Without adding water, just close the lid and cook it for 3 minutes. Mix it well. Add 1 tablespoon of chili powder. Check the taste. If required, add in half a spoon of salt. Mix it well. Add in 200 ml of water. Give it a nice mix. Close the lid, cook it for 5 minutes on a medium flame. Stir it occasionally and cook it until the gravy is thick enough. Mix it well. Finally, add in bunch of coriander leaves. Add in little bit of kasuri methi and give it a nice mix for the final time. Protein rich meal maker curry is ready to serve. It will go well with roti, chapati, rice, etc. Do try this recipe and let us know in the comment section how it has come. And please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching and supporting our videos.